Ever wondered where that meme came from, or wanted to find similar looking furniture without knowing what it's called? This video will show you how to reverse image search on your Android phone in under 90 seconds. First, let's use Google Images. Open the Chrome browser or any other browser on your Android device. Go to Google's homepage, Google.com now. This is important. You need to switch to the desktop version of the site. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Desktop Site. This will reload the page in desktop mode. Now, tap on Images in the top right corner. Next to the Gmail icon, you should see a camera icon. In the search bar, tap that camera icon. You now have two options: either paste the URL of an image, or upload an image directly from your phone's gallery. Let's upload an image. Tap Upload an Image and then choose File. Select the image you want to search for from your phone's gallery. Google will now analyze the image and show you visually similar images, websites where the image appears, and other relevant information. Next, let's try the Google Lens app, which is pre-installed on some Android phones. Open the app and snap a photo with it, or upload from your gallery. Google Lens analyzes the image and displays the results. This method is best for identifying objects. And that's it. You've successfully performed a reverse image search on your Android phone using Google Images and Google Lens. Now you can easily find similar images, identify objects, or trace the source of any picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.